Here's how to crop a photo in Adobe Photoshop. From the toolbar, select the crop icon. You'll see the crop icons appear at the borders of your photo. Click and drag the edge handles to the size you want. Or you can use the control bar to choose your settings. If you know the exact ratio or dimensions you want to use, select the ratio you want from the drop-down here and specify the dimensions in these boxes. Press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to save your changes. Go to File and Export As to save your cropped image.